Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Samsung 25-watt charging adapter. Recently, I purchased a Samsung Galaxy A15 for my wife and the Galaxy S24 FE for myself. Both of these phones support 25-watt super fast charging. But as you might know, Samsung doesn't include a charger in the box anymore. Instead, they only provide a USB-C to USB-C cable. Since I needed a charger, I went ahead and bought the Samsung 25-watt charging adapter from a local online store, Brians.com. It cost me 1150 Taka, which is roughly $9.43, and it comes with a 6-month official warranty. Let's unbox it. Inside the box, you will find the charging adapter and a manual, which, let's be honest, I'll probably never read. Now about the charger itself. It has Samsung's signature minimalist design. On one side, you will see the Samsung branding and some technical details. It has a USB-C port for output, keeping things simple and modern. Let's test it out. I'll connect the charger using the original Samsung USB-C cable that came with my phone. It fits perfectly. Time to charge my Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. To measure the actual wattage, I'm using an app called Charge Meter. Surprisingly, the reading shows it's only drawing 18 watt instead of full 25 watt. This is odd, especially since I'm using an original Samsung cable. Final thoughts about this charger is, despite the discrepancy in wattage, the adapter works well and charges quickly. If you are looking for a reliable charger for your Samsung device, this is a good option. Just don't expect any fancy extras in the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more unboxing and tech reviews. See you in the next video.